So I've removed the trunk cover. I found this is actually a little screen, but the mice have gotten it. And so that's going to go in the trash. But here, I'm not going to put my hands in here. Let me put this on the van again here. This is an 84 van again. I came from California. Teddy, do you want to do this? Okay. Whoops. Watch out. Okay. So, I want you to see this enormous mouse nest. Last time I did this, discovered a nest, I saw something move, and I freaked out. So, this is crazy. But that was an erotus. And none of you know what erotus is. Well, some of you do. But I was demonstrating, well, this shows active infestation. But that is one bad. I hope I don't pick up a live mouse here. That's what they do. At least it's where they got all that stuff from. I do not know. Okay. Well, let's just keep going here. And I'm afraid to lift this. That's the little tire pressure thing. There's wheel caps and your toe thing. Here, let's get it from here. Okay. And she said she had a mouse problem. I don't think she knew how bad it was. Okay, let's throw that away. No point in keeping, once they've gotten a hold of this stuff, there's really no point in keeping it. Well, it looks like that might be the original toolkit down here. And the toy tire. So I don't want to pick up anything too valuable, but okay. Let's put